So that will be the type of structure. Now I will write a main function. I will write the main function. Here I will declare supposed to for inserting new nodes for we need a pointer which is initially null and which actually points to the head node of the list. So it's a pointer of type struct node. It is of type struct node, which is head pointer, which is pointing to the head node of the list initially. This is a null pointer. Now I will check if the list is empty or not. If head pointer equals to null, that means the list is empty. For that we have to call the function. Which we have written, that at beginning, and as the head pointer, the value of the head pointer getting modified, so we have to pass the address of the head pointer to reflect this range which is being done within the function add at beginning. So I am passing the address of head pointer here and the value which we want to insert. Suppose now. So there is a integer value that will be entered by the user. So this value will be inserted. Now, if head pointer equals to, so initially suppose what I am doing, I'm passing initially storing the value 10 in the list. So this is equals to 10. So if head pointer equals to null, then okay, head pointer equals to null, that will be checked inside the function add at the beginning. In main function it is not required. So only just we will call add at the beginning function and the address of the head pointer will be passed and the value that we want to insert is 10. Suppose in the next time we want to insert next value at the beginning, which is add at the beginning. Again we have to pass the address of the head pointer and the value we want is to 20. Similarly, again next we want to store a value, suppose 30. So in that case this function will be called. Now after inserting this, whether this value has been inserted properly or not, we have to see traverse the elements of the list, which is done by using the function display. And in this function we will be passing the head pointer only, because we will not change the value of head pointer, we are just using it to traverse the list. And before addition, the display function will be called. So it will only show you that whether every item, new node, what we are inserting is inserted properly or not. So after every addition, I am displaying the content of the linked list. So this is this is here inside the main function. Now I have to implement the function add at beginning. So for that, as a main returns the integer value, so at the end I have to write return 0 at the end of the main function. Now we will declare the function add at the beginning, which returns nothing. So the returning type is void add at beginning, and the type of the parameter we are passing, that will be given in the time of declaration of the function. So actually we are passing the address of a pointer, so it becomes a double pointer. So struct node pointer, and the name is head. I'm giving it pointer, and an integer value which will be inserted, that is being passed. Now another function that we will use, which is display, which returns nothing, just display the contents of the list starting from the head node and traversing the list one by one. So in that case, only the head pointer value need to be passed, because we are not changing the value of the head pointer. So here only a pointer, it will not be a double pointer, it will be a single pointer which is pointing to the head node of the list, head pointer. Now we will define the body of void at the beginning function. This function body, what we have just now we have written, that code will be written in here, the same code. So for that, first I have to check if value at location head pointer equals to null, that means the list is empty. So in that case, some operation will be done, and if the list is not empty, then some other operations will be done. So to store the pointer, address of the new node to be inserted, we have to declare a pointer which will be pointing to the new node. So struct node star node pointer. Okay. Now, if head pointer equals to null, if head pointer equals to null, that means the list is empty. Now we will reserve a memory location for the new node, and the address of this